Hello, and welcome to the PocketECG instructional video for patients. In this video, we will demonstrate how to hook up your monitor and provide additional details about your test. Your physician has referred you to wear our PocketECG device. This test will record your heart's activity for the amount of time your physician has prescribed. Canada Post will deliver the kit to your doorstep and a signature will be required. If you are not home, Canada Post will leave a delivery notice for you to pick the kit up at your nearest Canada Post office. The PocketECG kit contains a PocketECG device, 2 charged batteries, a battery charger, an instructional manual, extra electrodes, a travel bag, a wearable pouch, and a prepaid return envelope. Preparing your skin for hookup. Before hooking up your device, it is important that your skin is properly prepared to ensure the highest quality data. Be sure to thoroughly clean the following areas with alcohol or water and assure the skin is dried fully. To ensure patient comfort and to attain high-quality data, shaving may be required. Now, to hook up the device. 1. Connect the 3 lead wires to the electrode patches. 2. Peel the backing off the electrodes and firmly place the leads in the following locations. Attach the white lead to the right upper quadrant of your chest. Think the white to the right. Attach the black lead to the left upper quadrant of your chest. Attach the red lead to your lower left rib cage. 3. Slide the battery into the device to turn it on. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Once the device has powered on, you may press Start Session on the screen. You will hear a characteristic chime signaling the start of the session. When the screen shows Report Symptoms, the monitor is now recording. 5. To wake up the screen at any point, simply press the PocketECG logo on the device. 6. You may slide the device into the pouch provided and wear it around your neck or as a waist pouch. Charging the batteries. You have been given 2 charged batteries. It is recommended that you change the battery in the device every morning and evening. Remember when switching the batteries to place the old one in the charger. The battery is fully charged once the light on the charger is green. You can always check the battery percentage by waking up the device. How to report symptoms. If you experience any symptoms while wearing the device, it is very simple to report them. 1. Turn on the screen by pressing the PocketECG logo. 2. Press and hold Report Symptoms for 3 seconds or until the button disappears. 3. Document your symptoms by choosing a related symptom from the list. If the symptom you've chosen is wrong, you may fix it by pressing Modify. If your option is not available, select Other and you may call us at 1-888-636-0186 to specify what you are feeling. 4. To complete your entry, select your activity during the symptom and confirm. 5. At any point, should you wish to cancel this entry, simply press Cancel. Remember, this test is for diagnostic purposes only. In the event of a medical emergency, seek immediate medical attention or call 911. Some additional information. 1. You may shower with the electrode patches on your skin. However, the lead wires and device must be detached as the device is not waterproof. Ensure the electrode patches are fully dry and secure to the skin before reconnecting the monitor. 2. To ensure optimal quality of your test, electrode patches must be replaced every 2 to 3 days or as needed. 3. Please do not rigorously scratch the area or pull on the wires or electrode patches. This may cause interference with your test. Rather, use small, gentle rubs. If you experience skin irritation, you can place new electrode patches at slightly different locations. 4. If the cellular service percentage is at 0, don't worry. We will receive your data as soon as you enter an area with cell reception. 5. Normal activity is encouraged while wearing the monitor. Removal and return of the device. A day or two before the end of your testing period, you will receive a call from the team at mHealth Solutions alerting you of your end of test date. When your test is over, 1. Remove the patches and lead wires. 2. Disconnect the lead wires from the electrode patches. 3. Remove the battery from the PocketECG to turn off the device. 4. Place all of the contents back into the travel bag. Please do not wrap the wires tightly around the device, and remember to include the charger and both batteries. 5. Slide the kit into the prepaid envelope, seal it, and take it to your nearest Canada Post depot where it can be scanned and safely tracked. Receiving your results. The cardiac technologists at mHealth Solutions will prepare a report and make it available to your doctor within a few business days. Remember, the sooner you get your kit back to us, the sooner you get your results. Contact info. If you have further questions about your test, visit the Frequently Asked Questions page in the instruction manual or give us a call at 1-888-636-0186. For additional information, you may visit our website at m-healthsolutions.com. Thank you.